How many people here fuck with my content and they love it? Let me hear you. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Let me explain why. Not you, bro. Because I have no interest on getting high on my own supply.
Alright guys, this is the next one. It's the 24th of October. She got smacked. So we got a new bumper, a new grill. And we got this piece new too, but I'm gonna see if I might just be able to paint that, because that's two separate pieces. No, it's so we gotta fix this crack here. She want me to see if I can kind of pull that out, but she's not worried about that. And it's a crack there. So yeah. Now here are just a few parts that I showed this customer. This is called secondary damage. You got secondary damage, you gotta repair it. She didn't want to. It's always a good idea to record stuff, guys. Just saying. But see this whole piece right here. Hold on, let me move it so I can get it on video, because it looked too good right now. See this whole piece is cracked. She didn't want to get it fixed. All them pieces up there are broken. She didn't want to get it fixed. So yeah, you could still like put it together, but I don't know. Like I can't say it ain't gonna come apart because it's broken. So, but yeah, get it back up there. There you go. See? And then, like this piece over here too. All that's broke. She didn't want to get it fixed, huh? I'm just saying. Well, I'm recording again. She didn't want to get this replaced. And this thing is broke. So the grill is broken too. I told her. So now I just gotta record it. This is a new car. This is 2024. And I don't want her coming back saying, oh no, I thought you meant, or no ma'am. Nah. So some people try to get over on you like that. You just gotta be careful. And that's what I'm doing. See how this side, it snaps in? All that shit over here broke.
They're putting waves on the tracks.
originally, I was supposed to finish this up last night, but I was exhausted. So we got the paint. We got the paint down on it. We let it dry. Yeah. I still see a few spots, but it's white. White is always good painting because it hides everything. And whatever I don't get, I'll just touch up. It ain't no big deal. And we got this done. The red that I had the first time was too dark. So this like a fire truck red. Yeah, fire truck red. So we'll clear this piece and get this out of here. Clear this and let it dry. Hopefully it'll be dry by about 2:30, 3 o'clock. That way I can go ahead and put it together and get the shit out of here. But yeah, that's the goal. Out of here today. I ain't gotta do nothing with it. I just gotta. Damn, that thing shining. I ain't gotta put it together and then I just had to paint it. However, this is why I was hesitant and I knew better. I should give myself a whooping. But I knew better. Spraying red with white or any color with white. Because white is going to catch it. It's hiding everything, but it's going to catch everything. So it look good, don't it? It look good, right? I'm going to look at this. It got red in it. I could have sworn I got it all out. Look at it. It's red. And it's real hard to see, but I can see it. And now that I think about it, I might just take it out in the sun and see what it looks like. It's hard to see. And if I can't see it outside, I ain't gonna worry about it. But I can see it in here. It ain't real good light in here though. So the light hides the white. Stuff like that bothers me. So I'll probably just let it dry real good and then wet sand it, put a little bit of white on there and clear it by itself instead of. I'm really not making no money off of this truck, so I'm trying to get it done as fast as possible. And every time I try to do that, something happens. So maybe I should just take my time and knock it out and get it out the way, because it's in the way and I ain't making no money off of it. So yeah, but it's lessons. You learn lessons. The worst part about this lesson is I knew better. I already knew, like, if I sprayed red with white, I was gonna get something in that white. And I thought it was gonna be mostly dirt. But no, I got some red in it. So yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like outside. It's actually pretty dry now. I don't know, guys. What do y'all think? I can see it. See? I can see it because I did it. And I know it's there. But sometimes that just be my head. Like, you can see it. It's there. But it's barely there. You know, I got a little run right there. That ain't no biggie. But, I don't know. Should I redo it? It's really hard to tell. And then, like I said, I'm not making anything off this job. Like, I'm really kicking myself in that. The more I think about it, so I'm not even trying to. I'm just trying to get it done. But yeah, I think I'm gonna let that fly. Yeah, I'm gonna let that fly. It's really, really, really hard to see, but I can see it. Can you see it? If you can see it, let me know. And then, like, that'll make me to, like, say, okay, I'm gonna do it again. But I know I can see it. And it might be different on camera. That's gonna bother me. I'll probably just do it over. Let's see how I feel when I get back. Alright, guys, this is what we got. Not too bad. It's fitting on there, but it ain't on there all the way. See, she didn't want to get none of that fixed. And it's kind of out right there, but this whole side was missing. So, yeah, not too bad. I was rushed, so I was touching it before it was dry all the way, and then left some little fingerprints in it. But yeah, whatever. They said I ain't getting nothing for this job, so I really didn't.
Lay up the waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit house.